Alright, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to take out a SIM card out of the T-Mobile second generation. And if yours look like mine, that has barcode right here and all your information right here, and have a 2 Ethernet port right here, this is for that only. Now, for the second generation, it's a little bit harder, but the rules are kind of similar, But anyway, what we're gonna do is take out the SIM card with this tool, as simple as a screwdriver. Whenever you have yours, your store might be closed like this, like so. What you need to do is, basically there is a lot slot right here. You stick a flathead in there and pull it out. So you might have to try a couple of times, like I did, and pull that out. Once you do that, you want to make sure, look at this SIM card. See, this SIM card currently, okay, remember this QR code. You're facing the QR code, and then you're going to push the SIM card out. How you push it is you push in first. Alright, you push in and then release really quickly because it's a spring loaded. Once you take that SIM card out, you want to get either a tweezer or something to just get it out, like slide it out. Let me put it this way so you can see better. As you can see, the goal is to remove it this way, as you can see. And now here's your chip. This SIM card only works one way. So as you can see, there is a very tiny little lever, that slot we call it. The number on the SIM card, like T-Mobile's, like a little Lego, go towards the back of this device. So just remember, the gold contact facing go with the QR code, and the number of the SIM card, we call it, go towards the opposite side. And then make sure you insert the SIM card this tip up, or this tip going towards in. So we're gonna go right here, like such. See that? You get my point. So once you put that in, make sure you hear a click before you let it go, otherwise it will not work. So you want to make sure you hit click and flushed, and that's how you do it. So now we're gonna close the door, and that's how this thing works. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.